The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration warned of possible heavy rains and strong winds in parts of northern and central Luzon as Tropical Depression Maymay is slowly approaching the country's landmass. To give us an update, joining us live is Pagasa weather specialist Obet Badrina. Sir Obet, good evening.
Good evening, Neil, and good evening to all our viewers.
Sir Obet, what's the latest on Tropical Depression Maymay?
Okay, so as of 4 p.m., the center of the Tropical Depression Maymay was estimated around 265 kilometers east of Casiguran in Aurora. So it is currently almost stationary, although the general movement would be generally westward. No? So as of now, the maximum sustained winds of this tropical depression is around 45 kilometers per hour near the center, and with the gustiness of up to 55 kilometers per hour. So currently, the tropical cyclone wind signal number 1 is hoisted in areas in Isabela in Aurora, Isabela in Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Aurora, Nueva Ecija, and the extreme northern portion of Quezon, including Polillo Island. So in this area, we can expect rains with gusty winds, particularly in the next 36 hours. So today through tomorrow afternoon, we can expect, as you mentioned, the moderate to heavy with at times intense rain, particularly in areas in northern Luzon. So actually what we are noticing right now, although there are some areas in the path of the tropical depression Maymay, which actually includes some areas in central Luzon, the concentration of rainfall would be in the northern part, which remember, we already terminated the southwest monsoon, so most of the wind now coming from the northeast. So expect for our kababayans, particularly in the northern and central Luzon, they can expect some moderate to heavy up to intense rain. So in Cagayan, in Isabela, Batanes, Apayao, also includes Aurora, some areas in Cordilleras, and also Ilocos Norte, and in these areas.
Sir Obet, are we seeing this storm to strengthen further or maybe make a landfall?
Yes. Well, for one, we're not looking at the possibility for it to strengthen, although still it's still in the particularly in the over the Philippine Sea. But because of its because it's already adjacent in the land area or landmass, so and also with the current condition, we're not expecting it to intensify further. What we're looking at possibly when it make landfall, particularly in the area of around Aurora or Isabela area, it may actually it may weaken to become a low pressure area na lang.
I understand that we have another tropical depression seen to enter the Philippine area of responsibility. Does this pose any danger to the country?
Yes. As of now, we released an 11 a.m. update this morning, and based on this track, actually, it will move towards the areas of extreme northern Luzon. So it may make, as of now, but anything can still change. As of now, it may make a landfall, particularly in around Batanes area. But that would be around.
But there's still no certainty, right?
Yes. The certainty is still huge, given it will take around some days. But what we're certain right now, it may enter the Philippine responsibility probably on Thursday.
Okay. Thanks, Sir Obet. That's Pag-asa weather specialist Obet Badrina.